Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a bathroom decor for you guys. I was asked by one of my lovely subs, Haida Azelu. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name right, but here it is. She asked me to do a bathroom decor. So I'm going to do more than one, but this is the first one that I'm doing. So let's get into the items that we will be using. Alright, we have our silver bling wrap here from Totally Dazzled and our black bling wrap also. This one is so nice. I enjoy using this one. And we have some paint here. We have a regular white paint and this one is a little glitter white paint. I'll be trying those two paints today. And we have our letters here that I got from Walmart, spelling out the word bath. And we have some of our mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And we have these gems here that I got from the Dollar Tree. These little sticker gems, they're cute. And we have these gems here that I got from Dollarama, but you can also get them from Walmart. They have the same ones. And we have our foam board that I got from Dollar Tree. Alright everyone, let's get started! Everyone, we're going to start by painting with our white acrylic paint. We're going to paint the letter H. Yes, and I will be doing one coat all over. And I'll be painting all the letters with white. And make sure you paint the back also. And here we go, our letter is dry. Letter B. So I'm going to go over with the glitter paint. Let's see how this looks. I hope it looks okay. Can you see the difference? I can see the little glitter that's in it. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up. Here we go. Here's a plain one and here's one with the glitter. I think it looks very nice. I can see it. I hope you guys can see it too. And now we're going to decorate our letters. Here's the A all dry. We're going to use some of our gems and our black bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I'm just using some hot glue. And like I always say, you can use any adhesive that you would like for your crafting. And I'll be doing the same thing with our letter H with the black bling wrap and our little gems. And now for the letter B, I'll be using these here that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're nice, they're black and silver. They're really cute. Now I did lay them down already. I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. So now I'm just going to take the hot glue and glue them down. And like I said, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your crafting project. That's just fine. And now I'll be doing the letter T. So I'm just doing one silver, one black, one silver, one black. Nice little pattern. And then I'll be gluing it down. And now for our foam board that I cut out. I'm just gonna put these black bling wrap going right around the corners of it, just to hide the imperfections of the foam board. So all I did with the foam board, which I forgot to press record, I don't know what's wrong with me today, I just put the mirrors on top and then I just cut around to the length that I needed with the foam board. Okay, here we go. Now we are just going to take the mirrors and we're just going to lay them out on the foam board. This is exactly what I did when I was cutting it, because I had forgotten to press record like I just told you. But this is exactly what I did. Got my bling wrap and then placed the mirrors on the foam board, and then I just cut to this length and height that I needed to use. So like I'm doing here now, I'm just placing them down, and then after we're gonna get our glue and glue the mirrors to the board.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.
Okay, now we'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue and gluing our mirrors to the board.
I'm surviving. I won't lie, I'm no shy guy. I'm alive.
And now we're gluing our bling wrap going down in between each of the mirrors.
There's no way that I can do this all by myself. Ooh-wee.
And now for some added support, I'll be gluing these popsicle sticks to the back of our project. It also helps with hanging up with the command strips. And now it's time to put our project together, everyone. So I'm just gonna lay the letters out.
She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing.
And now I'm gonna be using some E6000 and some hot glue and glue our letters down.
She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing, yeah. She's so vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I don't know how.
And here's our final look. I think it looks very nice, and here it is on the wall. I love how it turned out. Alright everyone, I did use these command strips which I got from Walmart, and I used 6 of them to hang up this project. 6 of the command strips. It's a nice and simple and easy bathroom decor. Using the mirrors and some letters. Just put everything together and you have a lovely piece of decor for your home. Alright everyone, this is the first one that I have come up with so far. I will come up with more. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of this bathroom decor. And I hope you get a chance to make one to place within your bathroom in your home. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY that I had to share with you guys for today. And remember, give me a like, press that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I have another DIY to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one.
You so vibe, you so vibey. She's so vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey.